I'm back! Hey guys, it's your girl Danielle and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. I would greatly appreciate it. If it's not your first time here and you've seen 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 all of my videos, why don't you go ahead and hit the subscribe button? Let's get your girl to 1,000 so I can do another giveaway. Happy holidays, all my beautiful people. I hope you are doing wonderful out there. I'm coming at you from the fireplace. Yes, it's a real fire. No, it's not a TV, and I hope I don't burn myself because it is hot. Oh, so today I'm coming at you with my Black Friday haul part 3. Yes, I said Black Friday. So I'm just getting my package that I ordered on November 27th. Yeah, you heard that right. Was that Cyber Monday, Black Friday, something like that? So I ordered this package from DBLEUDAZZLED. I'm really excited about this because I do own a pair of her fishnet stockings already. Actually, to be correct, they are the Diamond Girl stockings. I will insert a picture right here. And I'll also leave a link for you down in the description box below to a music video that I was recently in. If you have not seen that, I actually did get to wear these tights so you can see more of what they look like in action. I've actually had these tights for like a good 3 or 4 years now. I did get them in industrial strength. That way they would last longer. Just a little tip for you, you do want to get the industrial strength. I already love those fishnet tights, so I wanted to get some more tights by her. She was having a sale and it was a really good deal, so I was like, okay, let me go ahead and grab some new ones. So I have not opened this yet and I have not looked at them, so this is going to be an unboxing and first impressions. So let's see what I ordered. It's been so long I don't really remember. Oh my god! So the tights that she makes, if you get them in a skin tone color, they come in 4 colors, and the color that I got was swirl. And I got the tights that say, fuck you, you fucking fuck, dazzling sheer tights. And I got them, that says it on the right ankle. You had the option to get it on one ankle or both, and I got it on the right ankle. And then I got the money tights, and I got that in both ankles. So let's go ahead and open them up and see what they look like. I love this. Actually, the last thing that I got came packaged in this wrapping paper. I really like it. It's like, I'm all about attention to detail. I don't know if you can see it, but it's actually sparkly black paper, so it's got like sparkly confetti in it. Really cute. And then it came packaged in this, but I like that they do like the waterproof and padded packaging. Okay, so here they are. They're so cute. I love it. I feel like money bag, money bag, money bag. Okay, these are really cute. Okay, so as you can see, they do have her name on the front, Dazzled. So the other tights that I have also do come in a bag like this. It was not like a velvet bag, and I don't think it has the, I wish I had it with me, but I'm currently at my mom's house. Yes, this is where the setup is. So I did not bring those with me, but, oh, I know what it is. It's like a satin bag. So it's like a satin bag that they come in. So it's not velvet like this, and I don't believe it had the name Dazzled on the front. But yes, she does send out her tights in bags like this, so when you're done with them, you can put them back. So let's pull them out and see which ones he says. It's like a surprise. Okay, these are the black ones. So these are the money tights. They come in black. Okay, so they are just a regular pair of tights. But then they've got these cute money symbols down on the ankle. Now do you tell me that's not cute? Let's let you see up close. So cute. So cute. I can't wait to wear these. And if I ever do, trust me, I'm sure you'll know. I'm sure it'll be for a video, something like that. I should do a try on, but I'm not going to because I'm all comfy. I've had some comments about this robe, and this is a robe from Victoria's Secret. It's the best robe that I've ever gotten. It's so plush, so soft, nice and fluffy. It's like my pimp robe, so yeah. Oh, and then I got my cute, fuzzy Rudolph pajama pants on, so sorry, can't do a try on for you guys, but yeah, look how cute they are. So yeah, okay. So here's what I do. I fold them in half, right? Then we're gonna fold them in half again. Then we fold them in half again, and then we're just gonna roll them up, okay? Roll them up into a ball, or a roll, whatever you want to call it. Then we're gonna put them back in the bag. And that's how you store these. Me. As if you didn't know. Alright, so let's move on to the next one, shall we? So I'm excited about these. These are in swirl. My mom is gonna fucking love these. Oh, I'm like, where? Oh, it's small. Okay, so maybe it won't be so offensive. Mom, come look at these. You can be on camera. Oh my god, these are so cute. Come here, read these. Do you need your glasses?
I have my glasses.
Okay, read these.
Oh my god. Awesome. I need a pair.
You like that, don't you?
Yeah.
These are so cute.
Come in black?
I do think you can get them in black. Yes. Okay, so mom approved. So, as you can see, it's not as big as the money sign. So, I don't think it will be so, like, boom in your face. But I kind of love offensive things. And that's so funny for someone like me who's really introverted. And you would think, I guess that's why it's been so hard for me to start my YouTube and to be on camera, is because I really am introverted. I'm an introverted person, but I'm also outgoing. Like, I'm a very left brain versus right. I'm very right brain versus left brain kind of person. That's a story for another video though. All right, so we just roll those back up. We're gonna put them back in the bag, and that's it. Again, sorry I couldn't do a try on for you guys, but I'm comfy. I'm in front of the fireplace. I'm just chilling. We're having a girls' night. So I wanted to film something for you guys, you know? So yeah, I wanted to show you that. I wanted to do my part 3 of my Black Friday haul. So it came so late, but at least I got it before Christmas. So can't really complain. So these are really cute. Maybe I'll think about wearing them for New Year's or something. Maybe I'll come on camera with them so you guys can see what they look like. But if you have ever purchased anything from her, or if you've been eyeing anything that you think is really cute, leave a comment down below so we can discuss, because I absolutely love these tights. The Diamond Girl tights, they're like my all-time favorite tights. Like, I have done maybe 3, 4, 5 shoots in them because they're that bomb. Like, they're so bomb. I love doing performances in them. Like, if you go on my IG, you can see some little snippets of some dance performances that I've done in them. Again, I will link the music video that I was in where I wore the Diamond Girl tights, and you can see exactly what they look like on camera and in the light. Oh my god, they reflect like heaven. They are beautiful. So yeah, make sure you go check that out. Make sure you leave a comment below, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, and I guess I'll see you guys later. I love you. Peace.